Hey guys, my name is Annie. I'm a tech consultant, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to vibe code totally for free. The tools like Lovable or Replit are quite popular right now, but the issue with those tools is that you start to use, for example, Lovable, and then in the middle of the project, it will ask you to upgrade to the paid plan. That is why today I will show you 3 vibe coding tools that you can use for free. So the first one is Tree. You can see it on my screen. In order to get the tree, you will just open your internet browser and then you will type for tree.ie and you will land on this screen. And here you will just click on download tree. And once you download it, you will install it and then you will open the desktop application on your screen. So this is how it will look like. Basically, you can see that you have a chatbot, and here you will write whatever you want Tree to develop. So you'll describe your application. One thing to remember is that Tree has the option to decide which LLM tools will suit your project, and it will define and also choose the LLM tool for you. It will also use LLM tools from, for example, ChatGPT or from Cloud or Gemini, and it's totally for free. This is quite exceptional. So if you want me to create a separate tutorial only on Tree, let me know in the comments and I will do that. The next tool, vibe coding tool that is free and I want to share with you is BaldyYY. So you basically will go to github.com and then download BaldyYY for your own OS. And here, for example, for me, it's Windows, so I will download this one. And once it is downloaded, I will go and install that. And then you can open again the application on your desktop. So here you can see the thing with BaldyYY is that you will need to choose your own LLM provider. For example, here I choose Anthropic, and then you will choose the model that you think will suit your project best. And then you also need to enter the API key. And as we know, in order to have an API key, for example, in Anthropic, you need to pay for that. It's quite cheap, but still you need to have a paid subscription for API. So that is the difference between Bold and Tree. And again, this is quite cheap, and the Vibe tool on its own is totally free. But again, you will need to have some credit on your API key. And the next tool that I wanted to share with you is Google's Firebase. And again, in order to get the Google Firebase, you will open your web browser and you will find Firebase Studio, and then you will just log in with your Gmail. Once you do that, you again will have this chatbot, and here you will describe the application that you want to develop. For example, here I asked to create a professional website. I entered my picture and I gave the link to my LinkedIn profile, and you can see that here is then the prototype. And yes, and all of this is for free. And again, if you want me to create a more specific tutorial about Tree or Google's Firebase Studio or about BaldyYY, just comment below. And also I will send all the links. I will enter all the links for those tools in the description. So it will be easy for you just to click on links. That was it, and have a good day. Bye.